name is Etty, and last week I showed you guys how I made over my entryway, and in that video I had this beautiful boho bench, and I'm going to show you how to make that right here in this video. I use this bench in my entryway makeover, so if you haven't already, go ahead and check that out. I'll link the video up above so you have no excuses. Go watch it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos every Sunday. So I've had this bench for God knows how many years, and I've literally never liked it. And I just never wanted to throw it away because I knew that one day I could turn it into something really pretty. Alright, so my idea for this bench involves completely removing the brown stain and restaining it with a little bit more of an earthy color that'll just bring out like a boho mid-century feel to it. Okay, so first things first, I need to completely take apart this bench so that I can remove the stain, restain it, and then reupholster it. Nice, this is looking really good. Okay, good. I'm super happy about this. I really wasn't sure if we'd be able to get down to the bare wood. So the day I sanded was super cold and windy, so I got most of it done outside. I just came back inside to do like the corners and the finishing touches, and then I continued staining inside. Of course, I had the windows open, so it was well ventilated. Don't forget to do that, it's really important. I have a stain from Varathane. It's called Early American, and it's a gel stain, so that means that I don't have to put any varnish on top. I can just do one coat or two coats of the gel stain, and that's it. So now it's time to reupholster the seat of this bench. So to reupholster this, I basically used two different fabrics, one of which was the IKEA Sortso rug. This is $3.99, so it's perfect for any DIY. Also, I had it at home, so I didn't have to order anything during quarantine, which is always nice. And the other fabric that I had is an old dress, which I haven't worn in like 5 years, and I figured it would be really nice fabric for this. I'm going to go and remove all the staples that's keeping the upholstery together for this bench. So for that, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. I'm just going to pretty much get it under the staple and remove them. There were at least 50 staples per side of this bench. That was ridiculous. It took me like half an hour just to remove the staples. I thought it would be a 5-minute thing. So finally done with all that. My black fabric laid out, and I'm just going to use a staple gun over here to staple the fabric to the wood. Once that's done, I'm going to do the same thing with the Sortso rug on the other side. Okay, for the corners of the bench, you'll want to make sure that the fabric is tucked into place really nice and neat and then secured by the staples. Another layer of fringe. So this is that piece that I cut off before, and I'm just going to staple it down right above this one because I want to add that extra layer. This is what it's going to look like with the second layer of fringe, so that is really cute. I really like that. I think I should staple it first and then glue gun it. Yeah, so I'm going to staple it first and then I'm going to glue it down. I had a little bit of extra fringe, so I thought it would be cute to just cut off a piece and put it on the other side of the bench. You can never have too much fringe. So now I'm just basically going to drill back all the pieces of the base together. We're going to assemble this bench. try over here. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay guys, so this is the bench. This is the final product. I'm so excited with how this turned out. Once I assembled everything, it looked exactly like I imagined, which is really cool. And it looks especially exciting because this is actually the first time I reupholstered anything. And it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. The only hard part was the 9 million staples. Alright guys, that's the end of my boho bench flip for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below and leave me a comment on whether you've ever reupholstered anything. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see when I post new home decor and DIY videos on Sundays. Focus. DIY the head.